All right, let me re-add it one term at a time. So it's going to be sine x. The bottom is 1 minus cosine x over sine x. Now, that's the first term. I'm going to try to clear the fraction there, the complex fraction, by multiplying by the minor LCD, which is sine squared. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I'm thinking forward, that sine times sine is sine squared. So the next term, which is plus, we'll get cosine x, and then you get 1 minus sine x over cosine x. And again, trying to get rid of that complex fraction by multiplying by the minor LCD, cosine x over cosine x. All right, let's see what you get. And on top you get, for the first term, sine squared. What do you get on bottom? Sine x minus cosine x. All right, that's not so bad. Plus, this is going to be cosine squared x. On bottom, what do you get? Cosine x minus sine x. Well, you know what? The bottoms are remarkably similar, but they are opposites one another. So I'm going to factor out a minus 1 on the second one. So what do you get? Sine squared. Then you get sine x minus cosine x. And remember, in the second term, I'm going to factor out a minus 1. So we get sine x minus cosine x. That's done. Then you get cosine squared. Same denominator. Just add the numerators together, or subtract the numerators in this case. You get sine x minus cosine x. On top, what do you get? Sine squared minus cosine squared. All right? So, I'm looking at the key, and I don't see that either. So I'm going to factor it now. So what do you get over there? Let's put this down. You're going to get sine x minus cosine x and sine x plus cosine x all over sine x minus cosine x. And again, conditionally, these things will cancel off. We're left off with sine x plus cosine x. All right? So what do I get over here? I'm looking at the key, and do I see that? I do. It's letter B, sine x plus cosine x. We do say it's B. And again, if you look at the work, it's essentially the same work, and the same amount of work too. I mean, for the most part, I would actually prefer to type it up than to write it down in my chicken scratch. I think typing is a little bit easier to do, actually. Thank you.